Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Spring brand, their Smart Ambience Lamp with white noise machine. I have it turned on right now. It's really beautiful, and in the back of this unit you've got the power supply connection and an included USB-A with a power supply right there. You have back controls on here to adjust the color, the light, the ambient sound on here. There is a little built-in speaker on there and it will make some relaxing sounds. But the thing you want to do is, you can see right there, I started the setting of the clock. But what you really want to do is you want to download the app, which is right here in the instruction manual, because it has a lot of features that you can control this light with. And that's the beauty of it, is that you could use this app to do a lot of the control. You can see it automatically sync to the time. You have a choice of the colors. You can just move this right here to change the colors. You have this setting right here where you have full spectrum, see, breathe. That's my favorite. Eclipse, sun, rainbow. So a lot of choices right there. You could have this controlled with Alexa also, if you have that device in your house. You have alarm settings right here. You can turn alarms on and off, and you could set up the ring duration, alarm sound, repeat, name. You can turn the alarm off by just tilting the clock like that, or hitting any of the buttons in the back. Very simple to use. And a lot of people like to be woken up by a beautiful light like this, and you turn towards this and you have a wake up, and you can also have the sound come on, the nice soft sound, which is really nice to wake you up. But the app is a key thing with this, because the app works really well, and it's Smart Life app, and it's free. And just use your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and it comes up as smart white noise machine, and it worked quite well. So make sure you're on a 2.4 gigahertz network and you're all set. Here you got see how it's tracking network time. You have LCD brightness, night mode, a lot of options on here. So this is a cool product. I think it looks really nice. You're going to want to have it to relax you when you're waking up, and be able to set all those different colors on here that just look really neat. So it's a simple product, unique. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I'm going to have the links for purchasing this product right in the information section of this video and in the comment section. Please help support this channel and click on that link if you're interested in purchasing this device. I hope the information I presented here helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.